What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna show you today how to make a Python bot with a Twitter hashtag getter. I'm gonna use Tweepy and some third-party APIs to get a bot working and sending you a text message every certain period of time. Time to get the scope, the project. We will get the latest Twitter trends and then send a text message every set interval. The idea is to be on top of everything, like what is trending, and then try to polish on top of that. We're gonna have to use free tier software. We're gonna use Twitter, we're gonna use Twilio, and we're using Heroku. I tried with Python Anywhere, does not support HTTP. Google Cloud Engine does have a server, but I don't think it's free. They have like a free tier, but it's very limited to what you have to do, so I just took that option out too. But we tried it, you know. Let's take that out. So I just ended up with the Heroku. If you have another service like DigitalOcean, I think you can do the same. Like just try to do like a scheduler, Google scheduler, and then your provider. Okay. Then the requirements for this script is Python 3. I'm gonna use Tweepy. We're gonna get the APIs from developer Twitter. I'm gonna use Twilio and then register and create a phone number, and then get the documentation to get the phone number. So you just register and then go to the documentation to get your phone number, your free tier. Same with Heroku, you just go make an account. With Heroku, and then after that everything will be on the command line. So you don't need like to make any instances or anything within the Heroku. Like if you wanna go check later the logs or anything, that's a good place to go. But just to make the app, you don't need to do it on Heroku. You can do the command line. And then we have the scheduler. We have third-party APIs. We have Twilio. We're gonna use Heroku with a free tier, and then we're gonna use Tweepy too. It's technically a third-party API too, because we're gonna use the IDs. So that's basically what defines a third-party API, that you're gonna use a user authentication process. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go to Paint. I'm gonna show you very crude interpretation of what the API is gonna do. But we have, this would be like the list of the hashtags on Twitter. I'm gonna get that list, and then we're gonna go and send that to Twilio as a list after getting the hashtags out. Okay, so we just take the hashtags from the list, put that in the API, send it as an SMS, and there we're gonna go and take the whole thing and run it every 12 hours with Heroku. So every 12 hours I'm gonna be receiving a list of hashtags in this script. Okay. Now I'm gonna go check the code. We have Tweepy, we have JSON. I'm gonna show you we also have a proc file. I'm using pip, so I also have a pip file with these packages. pip install, and install. Tweepy, Twilio, and the scheduler. Okay, go back to the code. And that's why we import Tweepy, import JSON to the loads and dumps. Gonna import the client, the scheduler, and then this part I have it on another file, so we can import that and then put that on the git ignore with all the secrets and all the keys and whatnot. Twilio has credentials. That's very nice of them to tell you that it's not safe to just put like this. So they tell you to put it on an environment variable. That's what we're technically doing. Put it on a keys file and then put that on the git ignore. Or anytime you're doing commits, you're not uploading any of your keys. Okay? They have Mac and Twilio, they have it for Windows. And then Heroku does it automatically for you, so you can configure that in Heroku. The keys file you're gonna need to configure in Heroku to hide it. Okay, that's this part. This is why I have this from keys, import, blah blah blah. So if you're doing VM, like you have to go process.m, etc. We got the scheduler. I'm gonna leave that for later, that's the last part. It's first on the go, but it's the last part of the logic, so I'm gonna leave it for later. Function definition we will get. I just put a trend getter because I had everything without the same function. If you wanna be more specific, like do more like a mobile view controller, I would put this as in a separate function, you know, like one function to get the API connect, then one function for this, and then one function separate for this. But because this is such a simple script, I don't think there's such a need for that. If we were going to add more logic, then it would be imperative to put all these functions separate so we can reuse them later. Alright, so we're gonna go line by line. These are comments. This part connects the Tweepy web handler and the token and the API. It's the same instructions we have here. From the getting started, hello Tweepy. Basically we're doing this part, right? And then go back. We have this void stuff that we're gonna use for the trend getter. We're gonna use the API that trends place. So trends. Okay. API trends place. So we have this ID that is the specific void that looks for the trend objects. This is tricky. You Google void and you have this all of these definitions, that is an identifier and whatnot, and then you have these lookups, which they look very convenient, right? But you just click in here and let's try to put a Bronx address, zip code, to try to find it. And guess what? No result. Let's copy that and go to another New Zealand. Lookup. Paste country. Zip code. See? It tells you zip code. So when you look up, there are currently problems in the data. This has been for ages like that. Yahoo does not support this since 2012. So you're gonna get a wiki, you will have to go here and try to get it from the Tweepy. Like retrieve a message and whatnot. I just went here and found the US here. Very not convenient. I just went through this United States. There's someone around here, yeah. Let's check it out. So if you wanna do the whole thing, just put a 1. Okay. So that would be this part. Why I do this? Same reason. Let's say I want to check Brazil. Just go here and search Brazil. And this here. Copy. And then paste. That would be the Brazil number, and then we change Brazil here. And that will change for Brazil. Leave it back because that's not the market. I want to target the US. So we have the JSON. Gonna load a JSON object. So we're gonna first load and then dump these trends with an indentation. We're gonna make a list of hashtags, an empty list, and for every trend in the trends, we're gonna append that without the hashtag. Then we're gonna send the text messages with the Twilio. Same thing as Twilio tells you. I had it like with the numbers because I'm doing the video. I just change it. Well, just follow along. And this is the best practice. This is the best practice. Have it on the environment variable. You know, and avoid it having here like numbers and personal information. And we're gonna send this message we created with this hashtag, and we change it to string just to make sure that it's a text string. Like you don't want to get errors. This element is not hashable or blah blah blah. Just put body, put a string, and then format it back into the string. It's a bit hackish, but that's the way it is with Python. Yeah. So now we got this logic going on. I hope you got it. The trends, put the trends. Now that we got that object, that this object will pass that as that part of the body with the Twilio number you got from Twilio and then your own phone number. So you will be sending text messages to yourself, automated. And then we have a scheduler. The scheduler is a blocking scheduler. Block job interval 12 hours. If you're doing this for the first time, change it to 10 minutes please, so you get it within 10 minutes. You don't have to wait the whole 12 hours. Why? Because this is an interval. This will not run on the get-go the first time like running Python stream.py. So you have to wait the whole thing. So I just put it 10 minutes, got my text messages, so I know the script is working. So now that I'm in the development phase, so I just switch it back. I don't want it to send it 10 minutes, I just want it to send it twice a day. Then got the scheduler, got the proc file, and the git ignore. Okay, so we have this. I'm gonna closing. with the scheduler. The Heroku is very straightforward. They just tell you to install the scheduler, have an execution cycle with the schedule job, and then run. Because this has a decorator, you can run a function within the decorator. It's either printing here, just put a whole thing, the whole logic in a get the tweets and then put that inside there. And very important, start the schedule after you do everything. Okay. Then we have a clock process type. After this, and I have made your profile with that clock.py. I just named it clock.py. I think this can be named like anything, but I just leave it like that, just to avoid any errors, because this is the first time, so I just leave it like they do, clock.py. Yeah, that way I avoid having any naming errors, something goes wrong. Once I get more used to it, you can just like change it, but just leave it like that for now. Then on the deployment, it tells you to comment the requirements and to deploy the application. Very important here, if you don't have the application set up, you need to log into Heroku, create an account if you don't have one, and then go to the command line and create an app. After logging in, of course, on the command line. You need to install Heroku too on your machine. So log in, install Heroku, log in with the Heroku on the command line, create an app, do your commits with the Git, all of this stuff, nice stuff. Do these commits, like git init, git add all, commit the message, and then push with the git push Heroku master. Push Heroku master. And then we run this. After everything has been pushed, we pass this process scheduler with the scale of clock 1 per this instruction here. This is setting up the clock process. Okay. Then go back here. There's something here too. Yes. To see this, doesn't show it up into the Heroku logs. After pushing, after running, pushing will tell you like there's something they make a link that Git is available, blah 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 blah. Then you do the scaling. I don't think it shows you anything here because it's actually not printing anything in the script, so you don't see any output. Yeah, a nice idea would be like if you're on testing, do like a print anywhere in the script so you know it's running. But I just leave it like change it 10 minutes and then that day text message, so I know it's working. So we have that with the clock scaling, and then I write this here MVC. Why? Because right now this script is not following the convention. But we'll try to get through, try to find what would be the model part and the read part. So try to modeling this stuff. So I would say here, very important business logic. That would be like the model, and this would be like the controller, and this would be the view because you're sending hashtags to the text message. So this would be the view, like a kind of a view controller, and this is the meat and potatoes on the script. this is what gets the actual hashtag. As always, a for loop. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I hope to make more videos like this in the future. And have a good night.